Taylor, what are you doing? Hey! Taylor, you say hi? Hi! Hi! Oh no, we're into the toy. And Ava, would you like to say hi to Grandma Sue? Is anyone home? Well, hello there! Grandma Sue, look at Ava's makeup. She's beautiful. Do you want to say anything to Grandma Sue?
Love you, Grandma Sue.
Aww. Angie, is there anything you'd like to say? Careful. What's wrong? What's wrong with the baby? Hello there. Hi. You want? Oh, hair. You just want the camera. Ava, don't put that in your mouth. Don't let her pull your hair. Taylor! Oh no. No hair. Ava. Taylor, what's she doing? Let her get it out of your mouth. Oh, look at how she looks at you, Ava. She loves you. Yeah. You got it. Now, Ava. Oh, no. She has another one. Look, she's trying to do what you're doing, Ava. Yeah. Oh, that Ava. That Ava, sure it's funny. Scoot to the side so I can see both your faces. There. Aww. Hiyo. Don't let her pull your hair, Ava. Oh, I saw the hair come out on that one.
Mama.
Oh, you're going to be bald in a couple weeks.
Can you take a picture of me doing that and send it to Grandma Sue so she can see it?
Well, I have it on video so she can see it. Is there anything else you would like to show her on video? Oh, anything other than that? Ava.
Taylor trying to get this out of my mouth.
I know. Careful. Let her take it, honey. Ava. Is there you want to show Grandma Sue anything else before I say goodbye? Okay. Taylor. Easy. Taylor taught. Hey, you want to say bye-bye? Taylor. Okay, we're interested in the toys. We're interested in sister. You want to say bye to Grandma Sue? Say bye, Grandma Sue. Bye, Grandma Sue.